Welcome to Maths and Physics class. Here we teach you Maths and Physics in depth for your understanding. We are having an expression or an equation on the board. To us, if you look at the equation, x raised to the power 1 over 2 is equal to 2. It's a simple expression, simple equation, but to many, none can solve this. Only those who have been following us, or those who have the idea, or those who have studied and learned about this principle, we're able to solve this simple looking equation. So what do? In just few steps, we're going to get answers to this. If you have been following our videos that will be dropping in this page, you will know the principles that we are using here. So we're going to use two ways for you to get better understanding of the concepts to solve this question. One is this. We have said in one of the laws that when an unknown or a number is raised to a fraction, it means that you are looking for the root of that number. So in other words, 1 over 2 is root 2. That is the square root of x. That is what it means, because it is just 1 all over. 1 over 2. It means root 2. That means square root. You can either write the 2 or leave it, because if it is like this as symbol, you know that it's a square root. If it is a third root, you see 3, that is cube root, to be written at the back here. If it is fourth root, 4. But if it is not 4, 3, if it is 2, you see it empty like this, or 2 will be written there. So when you see it empty, you know automatically it's what? The square root of a number. So when it is 1 all over, when a number or an unknown is raised to 1 over 2, it means square root of the number, that is square root of x, is equal to 2. That is, we've just represented this equation again, bringing it down. So when a number or an unknown, as I said, is raised to 1 over a number, it means the root value of that denominator of the number that we are looking for. So the right hand side has been brought down. Now in an equation, when you move a root to the other side, it becomes power. We will discuss this in one of our videos that will drop so soon. When a power, our root, moves from one side of the equation to the other side, it becomes the power of everything it will meet on the other side of the equation. So it means, since we are looking for x, we cannot say x, therefore x equals to what? 2 raised to power what? Because this is root 2 or square root, it will now become power 2. So root is moving to the other side, it becomes power. If power is coming from one side to the other, it becomes root. So if it is raised to power 3, it becomes the root 3 or the third root or cube root of the other side. So in this case, it is the square root, so it becomes power on the other side. So we can say x is equal to 2 raised to power 2 is 4. How do we get that? 2 raised to power 2 means 2 times 2. 2 into 2 places. That's what it means. It is not this 2 times this 2. It is this 2 into 2 places. That is this 2, 1, 2 into 2 places. That is why we have 4. So 2 raised to power 2 is the same thing as 4. So from this expression, or from this equation, x is equal to 4, because square root of 4 is equal to 2. So that is one method of solving that question. So let us look at the second method of solving it. The second method goes this way. Look at it. We have x raised to power 1 over 2 is equal to 2. Do you know that if a number or an unknown is raised to a fraction, you can actually move that fraction to the other side of the equation? You can move this fraction to the other side of the equation, whether it's on the left or the right, and you're moving it to any of the two sides. It can go. Look at how it goes. When you move a fraction to the other side of the equation, the fraction will reciprocate. It will change to the reciprocal of this. What does it mean? If we go back to our video, there is a video where I taught reciprocals. Reciprocals means denominator becoming the numerator and the numerator becoming the denominator. So in this case, when I move this 1 all over 2 to the other side, it will now become 2. It will still be power, but it will now be, instead of 1 over 2, it will become 2 over 1. So x raised to power 1 over 2 is equal to 2. I can move this fraction 1 over 2 to the other side. It will still be power, But if it is power, it means that it's going to what? The reciprocal of this first fraction is what you are going to have on the other side. Instead of 1 over 2, it will become 2 over 1. Take for instance, if it was s raised to power 2 over 5 is equal to 6. If I want to make this s raised to formula, it will become s is equal to, instead of 2 over 5, to be 6 raised to power 5 over 2. You see that the denominator is changing for the numerator, and the numerator is also replacing the denominator as in position. So that is what is happening here. So 2 over 1 is the same thing as 2. So x is equal to 2 raised to power 2. 2 over 1 is the same thing as 2. So is that not what we have here? S equal to 2 raised to power 2. S equal to 2 raised to power 2. So that is the same level. So we say x, therefore s equals to what? 4. So you see that if you have it as fraction, it means the roots. So if it is the root will change to the other side or go to the other side to become power. The value of the root will go with it. The value of the root is going to be the one that will be power. But if you want to use the fraction method, it means that you are going to find the reciprocal of the fraction. 1 over 2, the reciprocal will be 2 over 1 on the other side as power. So you will decide whenever you are having fraction whether you want to use the root method or you want to use the power method. This is the root method, change it to roots and it goes to the other side to become power. If you want to use the power method, as the power moves to the other side to become power, it will become the reciprocal of the initial fraction. So that is how we will end that today. I hope you have learned something. That whenever you have fraction, whether it's 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 3 over 5, 4 over 6, 7 over 2, 5 over 2, 7 over 3, whatever the arrangement, whether it's proper fraction or improper fraction, if you move the fraction to the other side as power, it becomes the reciprocal of it. If it is changed to roots, then it goes to the other side to become power, having the value of the root on the initial side. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you will follow this page, like our videos, comment, and please share these videos. Share it to encourage us. Share it and for others to benefit. And when you also do all this, you also continue to receive these videos immediately they are uploaded. Thank you.